Inserting hyperlinks. A hyperlink is text or a graphic that, when clicked, opens another page or file or moves to another location in the document. To insert a hyperlink, you want to select the text or graphic you want to use as the link, and then in the Insert tab, in the Links group, we would click Link. And we come up with this dialog box. We can see here we can create a hyperlink to existing file or web page, a place in this document, create a new document, or a link as an email address. We're going to create a link, a place in this document. So here are the different headings in this current document I have open. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to put our insertion point, or cursor, where we want the link to go. In this case, I'm going to put it in the paragraph for our safety vision, and it's referencing the officers who are on call. So I'm going to link it here to round-the-clock officers. So with my insertion point right here, I'm going to go to Link, and I want it to be a place in this document, and I want it to link to round-the-clock officers. Up here, text to display, I can leave it as that, or I can make it other text. In this case, I'm going to say, see the list of officers. Over here, I have screen tip, and a screen tip is a bubble that appears when the mouse is placed over a link, and you want to add a screen tip when you want to add a more meaningful description of the hyperlink. So in this case, I'm going to put a screen tip, and I'm just going to say round-the-clock officers. And I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to make a link in this document. It's going to link to the heading round-the-clock officers. My link is going to say, see the list of officers, and I'm going to have a screen tip that says round-the-clock officers. If I'm sure that's everything I need, I'm going to say OK. And you can see down here, I have the link that says, see the list of officers. I'm going to put a space there. And if I hover over top of that, you can see it says round-the-clock officers. To launch the link, I'm going to hold my Control key down, and I'm going to click. And it takes me right to round-the-clock officers. If I wanted to edit my link, I could right-click on it and click on Edit. And I might want to change the screen tip or the text to display, but that's where I would do that. So I'm just going to hit Cancel. And if I wanted to remove that link, what that would do, it would leave the text there, but it would make it no longer a hyperlink. I could right-click, I could click on Remove, and now it's just plain text. I'm going to undo that, so my link comes back.